Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome to this video in which we are going to show you how you can automate uh, your Outlook, means connect your dashboard application, which has a front end in Microsoft Excel, back end is you are using Microsoft Access as a backend, and you are using Microsoft Outlook. So the scenario is like this: that uh, you want that your dashboard should be watching a particular folder in the Outlook session like this. So you have folders within the inbox. These are the folders: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right, these are the folder, of which one folder is always blank. Um, so this is the folder which will take the items, incoming items into it, and then it will be transferred to the dashboard, and the dashboard will take action and respond to the user, and then move. After taking the action, the item will be moved either to, if it is a backlog pre-clearance, then it will be moved to this. If it is a backup request, all right, so it will respond to the users as well. Right, it will respond to the sender of the email that the action has been taken, and after clearing a backlog, this is the status. It will respond after taking the action on the backup request. It will respond to the user that how many backups you have already got for this user, right, and which you can restore, right. And if your action is the requested action is rollback to a certain date, then the action will be taken, and the request will be responded back to the user, and the request will be moved to the rollback folder, and so on, like the unperformed request and user creation, like, okay. So these are this is the structure we got to be created in your Outlook, and of which one of your folder is the main folder, on which will be the hosting. It will host all the incoming requests into it if they are qualifying with the predefined format of the subject and body, right. And let's have a look of the rules which we have set for that folder. The rule is clearly telling you this, that this is the rule which is working, that if the subject has these any of these, you see every option has been separated with the or. Either you have if you want to create a user, then your subject has to be this. If it is, then it will be moved to this. So the job of Outlook finishes as soon as it transfers the incoming request from inbox to this folder, and as soon as it is moved, then we have got a setup in our dashboard, which is constantly watching, is there any item in that folder or not. How it is doing? It is doing through the simple code. I show you in the view code. In the here you have the auto open procedure. If you go to the macros, you have the auto open procedure, right. If you say step information, for example, this one, right, please stop it. So this is the auto open procedure, which keeps watching through a schedule setup, right. So if you go to this procedure, schedule setup, let me go to the macros, the schedule setup, you will find it in here. This is the schedule setup, right. If you do the edit into it, so this is the schedule setup, which is doing only this job of rescheduling of this, and doing this running this macro, right, on. So 45 seconds is the time which we have set. So after every 45 seconds, it goes and see if there anything in the Outlook or not. So load Outlook and access inbox, right. If you go to the macros and load Outlook and access the inbox, right. So this is the procedure which take care of all the subjects and finds it out. If there are any email which is coming, then it is going to respond to it and take the action and respond to it, right. Okay. So let me take you to my Gmail account. I'm sorry for this. I go to the Gmail account. Yeah, this one. So in the Gmail account, I take, for example, a backup for a user. So we send. So this is the sent mail, and this is the backup, right? So in the backup, for example, Jinmo. Morgan is the so so this is the nearest which we can use it as a template. So what we do here, we remove the unwanted characters. This is um, the expected, the predefined subject, which will cause the dashboard to take the action, right? And we specify that we want to take the backup of which user, right? So this user, and the rest of the things are unwanted, so we remove them, right? That's it. So we send it. We are going to send it. Sending is simple. And this is okay. I have to hide this here. Yes, send. So what it is going to do is now, since this is a right address, right subject, which is predefined, so it will the system will send, and the Outlook job is completed as long as it has transferred it to this folder. Now the Excel will take the action and respond it to the user. Now you will see that Excel will start taking action on this, and it will perform, it will take the backup, and it will respond to the. So we might have to, yeah, that's right. So it takes 45 seconds to perform it, and now it is publishing the reply, and it's writing back to the sender of the request, and it will say that your request for the backup has been actioned, and now you have that many backups in the repository, in the storage area in which keeps the backup copies of the backups, right? So these are the. Now let's go to the inbox and see what email has has been received. So this is the email which has just now received, has been received 0 minutes ago, and he says your request for backup has been actioned, and backups which are currently available for restoring are mentioned below. So these are the backups which you have. So this was the latest backup which has been performed, and this is the latest picture of his account at the time of backup. That he has so many activities to perform, which are due. These have been performed, and the remainder are the OD. The backlog, so the backlogs have to be cleared, right? So this was a presentation that how you can automate using VBA and outer, and you can write your dashboard. You can have your dashboard monitor a particular folder. If there is an item, email item, then that is going to be actioned. And after taking the action, you will see that in the sent mail, you will find. So this was the message which was just now sent to this. So these are the sent, right? So this is the sent mail, and the copy of them. These are available for your future record and reference, right? I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you very much for watching.